Today, we're going to create a fire snake. A captivating reaction where a snake-like structure grows before your eyes. Here's what you'll need. 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, sand to create a base, lighter fluid, a fire-safe surface or a shallow dish filled with sand. First, mix the sugar and baking soda in a bowl. Next, create a small mound of sand on your fire-safe dish. Pour a small amount of isopropyl alcohol onto the sand. This will act as fuel for our fire snake. Carefully sprinkle the sugar and baking soda mixture on top of the sand. Now, it's time for the magic. Light the sand with a match or lighter. As the reaction begins, you'll see a dark, ash-like snake growing out of the sand. The heat from the fire breaks down the baking soda, releasing carbon dioxide, which pushes the carbon and leftover sugar into a long, blackened shape. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this reaction, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing experiments.